Hi everyone. Today we're going to try a hypercolor flip cup, and this time I'm going to try with the blow dryer. I don't have a heat gun, and I'm going to put the heat underneath the canvas to see if it will release the silicone oil. Okay, I've mixed up my colors, although I haven't put the silicone oil in the colors yet. I've added pouring medium and a little bit of water to thin out my paints. And if you are looking for a full tutorial, you can watch my videos. You click to my channel, then hit videos, or just put in the search acrylic pouring basics or acrylic pouring basics 2, and you'll find there a video with full instructions. So I put some white in. Then I'm going to put some yellow. It's sitting on top. I don't think I poured that from high enough. Pink. Then I'm going to lay some white on top without letting it go through like that. Okay, so now this doesn't have any silicone. I'm just going to do that. And then some blue. And then that should be enough. Then I'll put there's a lot of yellow in there. I'll give it a little more blue. No, blue's on top. I'll give it this color. Okay, that should be enough to cover the canvas. Make sure my thing is plugged in. Okay, here we go. There we go. I don't know if that one's going to be quite hypercolor. But it's going to have cells. I want it to sit a while, but it looks like it's not quite level. I want to keep these white cells on. Let's try this one. See if it's more level. A little bit. Okay, I'm going to dry off my hands and see if I can pick this up. I don't see any cells. Okay, I didn't see any cells coming from that. So I'm going to put it down. Looks like it's still sliding that way. Let's see what the torch does. Okay, so there's not a lot of talking and instruction. This was just an experiment. So that's how that one went. And I'm going to do one more pour. I like to get some of this white over the middle a little more. I don't know about stretching out those cells. That's a little better. I like that. Bring them back down. Okay, I love this. I'm not so sure about all that dark against all this light. We'll just go ahead and pour it off so it's not so much. Okay, that one's fun. All right, I'm going to shut the camera off for just a second and get ready for another pour. Okay, this time I'm going to try to fill this cup, flip it on this canvas, and have it be enough to drag it over to that one. All right, let's go. Let's try this. So my colors have been sitting for quite a while, so I had to re-stir them. I think I'll put this color next to that white. And then I'll put some yellow. And then again, I'll just add this pink from way high. And then I'm going to hit it with some spray. I locked the kitty out. Whoops. There we go. And now I'm going to put the blue in. And then again some magenta. And Petey wants to come in. And some white on top. I'm going to let that sit for just a second while I go let Kitty. Okay, I almost forgot to turn the camera on again. Okay, so that would be this way. Sink down, some of the white come through. I think that might be long enough. Here we go. Be a disaster. Maybe not, it's going to be a mess. What a mess. Well, the palette knife looks pretty. Where I'm going to have trouble here is I have nowhere to set them down. And when you set them down in the puddle, the paint will continue. This paint will draw this paint off of my paintings. It's like a piece of paper towel. When you set the corner of a paper towel near some water, the water will soak up into the paper towel. Or in this case, let me see if I can set it there. Okay, and in this case, it may continue to pull the paint off. Let's watch that little dot, see if it goes down. I think they're beautiful. look at that. Oh, don't tilt it. Don't tilt it, Lily. Can you see it up there? Barely. Let's fire up this stuff. Not too much. Not much at all. Okay, so I want to take a good picture. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing, and be kind to one another.